how to show only important photo tags notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easy and quick. First open VK and then let's go back here and now go to Hub and go to the storylines and then go to settings. After that go to notifications, scroll all the way down until you find here photo tags, and here we'll find important. Click on it and then that's it. Just go back, it will be saved and you can change it again. Just come back here and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.